How to access the American Journal of Botany, a BSA membership toolkit video. The American Journal of Botany is an internationally recognized, peer-reviewed journal. Online access is available to all current BSA members. At this time, printed issues of the publication can only be purchased through AJB's publisher, Wiley. BSA members use a Botany ID and password to gain access to AJB content on Wiley. This process can be started in several locations, but all follow the same steps to log in. You can visit www.botany.org and click on the blue Journal button, or simply choose Publications from the top menu and then choose About BSA Publications. Both will take you to the BSA Publications page. Here, you can access the login terminal by clicking the link in the pink highlighted area. You can see either the message "You are not currently logged in" or "You are logged in as a current BSA member" in this area. If you are already logged in, you can then click the link to access the BSA Publications Hub. Another way to access the login terminal is by going directly to the Wiley BSA page and clicking the login link at the top of the page, and then clicking BSA Member Login. Or you can also use the link directly in the menu where it says BSA Member Login. Whether you start the process from the BSA site or the Wiley site, you will next see the login terminal. Unless you are on a public device, it is highly recommended that you click the box for the option to keep logged in before logging in. Current BSA members can find their Botany ID and password by clicking the Recover Account link at the top left of the login terminal. An email will be sent with your ID as well as a link to reset your password. Please note that passwords cannot have any special characters. If you need to access your login information via the recovery link, you will need to use your primary email address. It is possible for members to accidentally create more than one BSA record, or for a record to have more than one email address. Your primary email is the email used by BSA to send you Society e-communications and renewals. If you are not sure which email is your primary, you can email bsa-manager@botany.org for assistance. When you have your ID and password ready, you can then enter your Botany ID into the login terminal, and then your password on the next page. You will be taken to the BSA Members Only Journal Hub. There you can select the AJB Journal link that will take you to the Wiley site. When the BSA database is connected to the Wiley Publishing website, you will see this brief connection message, and then a brief Wiley security verification message as well. You are now logged in on the Wiley site for both the American Journal of Botany and the BSA Journal Applications in Plant Sciences. You will notice that the top of the page next to the BSA logo is no longer blank and now states you are logged in as a BSA member. This is a great indicator that you have successfully logged in as a current member. Now that you are on the Wiley BSA Journal page, scroll down the page to the Publications area and choose the AJB or APPS journal names to access the Wiley site for each journal. The AJB homepage will have many options to choose from. You can access the latest issue, or click Browse in the middle menu and choose options such as Current Issue or All Issues. Once you choose an issue to explore, you will see the issue cover, issue information, and a table of contents for that issue. You will notice that there are different types of articles, such as open access, free access, and full access. When you are correctly logged in, full access articles should have a green lock that is unlocked. If you are not logged in correctly, there is no green text or lock. Now you can click on the article name to access the abstract and full text together, or choose one of the menu items at the bottom. If you are having issues accessing BSA journals online, you may need to confirm that your BSA membership is current, that you are using the correct ID and password, and you might also want to consider starting again using an incognito or private browser window. Using an incognito or private browser strips away previous login attempts and is a great way to start fresh. On most browsers, you select File and then either New Incognito or New Private Window. If you're still having trouble accessing the journals, please email bsa-manager@botany.org. The Botanical Society of America is proud to offer two society journals showcasing research from our global botanical community. We invite you to consider the American Journal of Botany and Applications in Plant Sciences as your home for sharing your research. If you are not already, consider becoming a BSA member to take advantage of members-only benefits, such as no page charges to publish in AJB and reduced article processing charges to publish open access. To learn more about becoming a member, visit www.botany.org and click on Membership.